Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a gadget that promises to revolutionize how one organizes their life, whether at home, in the office, or even for small businesses. We're talking about the D30S label maker machine, a portable Bluetooth mini label printer that's been making waves for its smart features and incredible versatility. Right out of the box, one receives the sleek white D30S label maker along with 3 rolls of label tape in 12 and 14 widths, giving a great start to any labeling project. What immediately stands out is its incredibly compact size. Measuring just 5.2 by 3.2 by 1.2 inches and weighing a mere 0.35 pounds, this device truly lives up to its mini designation. It's designed to be taken anywhere, fitting comfortably in a bag or even a pocket, making on-the-go labeling a breeze. Plus, with its wireless Bluetooth connectivity, there's no need to fuss with cables while working, and a full charge provides up to 5 hours of continuous use. But the D30S isn't just about portability, it's about smart functionality. This label maker is equipped with a clever smart chip that automatically recognizes the color and size of the D30S label tape inserted. This means less guesswork and more seamless printing. The real magic happens through its dedicated app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. This app is a powerhouse of customization, offering an impressive selection of over 90 fonts, 15 languages, and more than 650 materials to choose from. This allows anyone to truly print their unique style onto every label. Beyond basic text, the app provides a treasure trove of free, pre-designed templates. One can easily create labels with texts, tables, symbols, logos, barcodes, QR codes, images, and even insert data directly from Excel. Imagine effortlessly generating cute and functional label stickers right from a smartphone or tablet. This level of design freedom makes it incredibly simple to personalize everything from pantry items to office files. The applications for the D30S are virtually endless. For home organization, it's perfect for storage bins, food date marking, or even labeling spice jars. In a school setting, it becomes invaluable for stationery classification, personal item identification, or creating student name labels. Office professionals will find it indispensable for file labels, computer notes, and business notices. Even in industrial environments, it can be used for cable identification or warm notices. And for small businesses or stores, it's ideal for creating price labels, jewelry tags, or product labels. The inkless thermal printing technology means no more worrying about expensive ink cartridges, adding to its convenience and cost-effectiveness. In essence, the D30S label maker machine is a powerful, user-friendly tool that brings professional-grade labeling capabilities into the palm of one's hand. Its combination of portability, smart features, extensive customization options, and broad applicability makes it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to bring order and style to their world.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.